Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Gmail in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Google Chrome or Chrome. Once you have typed it, proceed with the best match. You can see it there. Double tap to continue. And once you have successfully opened the Google Chrome, please expand it first. Okay. And here you just have to wait until everything are set already. Once everything are set, please proceed with the upper right side of it where you can see Gmail images and this icon which contains Google Apps. So you can either select Gmail or you can also select this icon to see Google Apps. And here you need to look for Gmail. So I can see it here under YouTube. So select on it. And the moment you have tapped on it, wait until you are being redirected to the Gmail itself where you can see your messages under Gmail, messages that you have sent or messages that you have received. So it's still working and it's still processing to redirect you to the Gmail itself. Now, once you are here with the Gmail, you need to proceed at the upper right side again, but this time you need to go with the three dots to customize and control Google Chrome. Scroll down and look for this option, which is cast, save, and share. The moment you locate your cursor here, you would be able to see a list of the option like this. Proceed with this option, which is install page as application. Tap on it. At the moment you have tapped on it, this window would appear. Will it ask you to confirm your action? Proceed with install. And the moment you have installed it, wait until a new window would appear where here it show you a window of Gmail. So once a window would appear, it means that you have successfully installed it and downloaded it as well in your Windows or computer. So close the window and let us check if it's being successfully installed here in our Windows. So I can see it here. It is being placed, aligning the desktop icons. And if we are going to search here at the bottom search bar and type for Gmail, we can see it also the best match as an application. Okay. So bring it up and check if it's working. So that's it. Now simply close the window and you're good to go. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.